How to fix File Explorer drop-down menu not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Restart File Explorer. Temporary glitches in File Explorer's process can cause menu issues, and restarting it refreshes the app without affecting other programs. Recent updates, especially for Windows 11.24H2, may include fixes for known File Explorer bugs, like menus opening incorrectly. If there are optional updates available, install them as well. Restart your system to implement the changes. Scroll to Scale and Layout and set scaling to 100%. Apply the changes. Test the File Explorer drop-down menus. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.